Ever found yourself contemplating the idea of investing in rental properties, only to be deterred by the perceived challenges? Fear not, because today we're diving into these concerns, arming you with the knowledge to confidently navigate the world of rental property investment. Firstly, it's essential to understand that real estate markets naturally ebb and flow. These fluctuations are par for the course, but don't let them rattle you. Instead, adopt a long-term perspective. Remember, real estate has historically appreciated over time, balancing out short-term market shifts. Therefore, staying abreast of market trends and economic indicators that impact real estate values can help you make informed investment decisions. Next, let's tackle the financial commitment. Realistic budgeting is a must. It's not just about the purchase cost. You need to consider ongoing expenses like taxes, insurance, maintenance, and potential vacancies. And remember, there are diverse financing options available, from traditional mortgages to government loans, or even leveraging existing assets. It's also wise to maintain an emergency fund for those unforeseen expenses or sudden income disruptions. Now, on to property management. Should you manage your properties yourself, or should you hire professionals? There are pros and cons to both. If you're considering self-management, know that it involves responsibilities like tenant screening, upkeep, legal compliance, and maintaining positive tenant relations. On the other hand, professional management can offer effortless day-to-day operation handling, expert tenant management, and maintenance resolution. So, yes, investing in rental properties does come with its unique set of challenges. But with understanding and preparation, these hurdles can be effectively managed. Equipped with this knowledge, you're now ready to tackle these common fears and make more confident investment decisions. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll guide you through the preparation steps for your investment journey.